Hey friends, welcome to Cooksap. I hope all of you are doing good. So, I'm going to do a Sattvic recipe today. I'll be alternating between normal recipes and Sattvic recipes. So, today I'm going to make mango ginger chutney. Mango ginger is a plant of the ginger family which has a look very similar to ginger, whereas it tastes very similar to mango, raw mango actually. So, let's make the chutney. So, into a mixie jar, I'm adding 3 pieces of mango ginger. I've just removed the peels. This is a garden grown mango ginger, so it's fresh. I just soak them in water and remove the peels. See? Okay, I'm adding it to the mixie jar. Next, I'm going to add in a few coconut pieces. Like if you want, you can add grated coconut also. This is the reason why I'm adding coconut pieces is that's what it's available to me now. So I'm adding coconut pieces. You can add almost 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut, grated coconut. This is actually a very like Sattvic recipe because ginger is actually considered Sattvic. Coconut is considered Sattvic. The only thing that we'll be using for a little bit spiciness is a one green chili. I'm going to add in a few curry leaves. It gives a nice taste. And next goes in the green chili, just one green chili. You can even remove the seeds if you want to, if you want it less spicy. So next what I'm going to add is a little bit of water for grinding purpose. We'll be adding a little bit more buttermilk to it to make it a little bit more sour. So just add little water so that for the grinding purpose, enough to grind it to a thick paste. Next, I've powdered the rock salt, okay? Rock salt is considered sattvic. I've taken rock salt and powdered it. I'm going to add it to the mixie jar. And we're going to blend it into a thick paste first. See, it's become a thick paste. At this point, I'm going to add in almost 1 to 2 tablespoons of buttermilk to it. You can add curd, but buttermilk is much more healthier. So I've added buttermilk for sourness. And then I blended once more and transferred it into a bowl. So this is a raw mango ginger chutney. You can have it with rice. You can have it with poha. You can have it with dosha, idli. So it's a nice chutney, no cook recipe. You don't have to heat it or even light the fire for it. So it's a very healthy recipe. Do try it out. Don't forget to subscribe to CooksApp. Thank you.